today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely boneless chicken curry. So I'm using the breast of a chicken already diced. Here I have some all-purpose season. I'll be using some curry powder which I've made. I'll be adding some black pepper to this. So next I have some carrot, some thyme, garlic, onion, and peppers. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the thyme, bit of the garlic in this. Then we're just going to combine everything together. It's going to be quick and easy. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add some curry. This is what you call like you're burning the curry off, and this is personal preference. So then we're going to add the chicken to this. And just let it sit there a bit before you quickly turn it. So now we're going to give him a turn. As you can see, start to catch color. What I'm going to do, tip a little bit of water in it. Then add all your seasoned your vegetables in. Give them a bit of stir. May add some water to it. So at this point, we're going to put a bit of thyme in it. Cover it. Let it cook, simmer until it's cooked. So now it's time to test the chicken and see how it's doing. As you can see, look at this. Yeah, so this is ready. I'm just going to put it into a different container. Now the curry chicken is done. Just put it in a Pyrex dish. This is lovely. I'm going to make some roti to go with this.